I get asked all the time, why should I file a personal injury claim? Well, the simplest answer is to ensure that you are adequately compensated for all of your damages. When somebody has committed a wrong to you and it has damaged you, whether that's medical bills, whether you're bodily injured, whether you have property damage, you will not get compensated. You will not be reimbursed for those losses unless you file a personal injury claim. And why should you get an attorney involved is the next question. And I think that there are three really important reasons why you should look to get an attorney to file the personal injury claim. Number one, you want to ensure that everything is done correctly and in a timely manner. So time is on your side when you retain an attorney. Two, you want to make sure that you are adequately and fairly compensated for your loss. The Insurance Institute did a study on this and found that when you retain an attorney, you are likely to get 3.7 times more than what you get on your own. And lastly, and I think this is the most important part for my clients, is you get to outsource all the stress associated with getting better and getting your car fixed to your attorney. They can make sure that all of your medical bills are taken care of, that your property damage is fair and adequately either repaired or paid out in a total loss, and that the insurance company has all the information they need to fairly compensate you.